So I'm back with the next episode of Dating Tips and Tricks, how to highlight your best personality, showcase your personality, and see if somebody will actually match with you. Let's take a look at some of these profiles that were sent to me. We can discuss them and see if we have any tips for these people or if we just want to laugh. So this is how this profile was sent to me. She blacked out, or somebody, whoever posted this, blacked out the people's faces. But this person typed that his name was Mike and that he was 33, despite wearing a name tag that says Kelvin. So just know that this is Mike or Kelvin. He is supposedly 33. Mike says, public service announcement, every back women I met on here on games and with this F&F stuff and don't know how to treat a man. So sorry, but not sorry. No black women. Even if I swip right, I'm going to delete our convo because I'm done with games. I'm looking for a wife, not right now. Y'all got that? No back women. Public service announcement, every back women. So none of y'all back women. He's tired of y'all's games. He says he's going to swipe right because he is just not looking for y'all because y'all are on that F and F stuff. What can we say about Mike/Kelvin? Maybe he needs to not wear a name badge that has a different name. Or maybe he can, not wear his work shirt to work. Why do they take pictures like this? So he also needs to take a better picture. Maybe have someone else take the picture for him. And what is it about these people in grammar and punctuation? Is there a desert where there's no punctuation? Is it all gone? Have us women folk used up all of the periods and the quotation marks and the commas? Are we using up all of the punctuation? I don't know. But this is Mike. You guys jump in the comment section. Let me know what you think he should do. Then we got Perk. And like I said, this is how they send it to me. So sometimes I get faces, sometimes I don't. But this is Perk, and this is how it was sent. Everyone calls me Perk. My last name is Perkins. First date would definitely be a meet and greet. I'm not a Sunday through Saturday N-word. I know y'all have an N-word for every day of the week. Take me out that category. I'm easy to get along with. Great conversation and fun personality. It would be your lose, not mine. Okay, Perk used commas. I am ecstatic that he did at least break up his sentences a little bit. It would be wonderful if I could see a man use some periods. That would be great. Use some periods periodically, Perk. Perk coming through being 33, 6 feet tall, and he does not smoke. So good for him. There are quite a few things that I see that he can improve upon. Letting us know up front that he is not here for an actual commitment. He's just wanting to kind of hang out a little bit. But you guys let me know what you see and what you think that Perk should do. Perk, last name Perkins. Then we got Darius. Whoever sent this in did send a full body, but I'll hold off on Darius until we get to the end. Darius really likes capitals. No Lizzos, no Lizzos, no Lizzos, women with too much attitude, socially awkward women, those with a feminist mindset. Peace, peace, peace. Femininity is a requirement, not an option. If you a grown woman talking about you a brat girl, you stupid. If anything I said bothers you, do us both a favor and swipe left. You have to be my peace. Won't allow you to be my headache. Oh yeah, if you wearing heels and dresses is alien. So he used punctuation. That punctuation was exclamation points. He did break up his sentences. He told us everything that he wanted and didn't want. He didn't tell us anything about himself. Why don't they ever tell us anything about themselves? One thing I know about Darius, he likes fitted vests. Big guy in a fitted vest. So at least he didn't take a selfie looking down like that. So that's a positive. He is wearing sunglasses. I believe he probably thinks that this is cool to wear sunglasses in his profile picture. The fact that he swoops in and wants to use Lizzo, I don't know what it is about these dudes talking about Lizzo. Lizzo is out here living her own life. Well, now she's kind of battling her own legal issues, but Jesus, obviously they got an issue with the bigger ladies. Why not just talk about the things that you want in a woman and what you are bringing as a man, the things that you like, the hobbies, your belief system? Why is that so hard for these people? And these cap locks, where are these people? What? Yeah, I don't get it. Why are you hollering at us, Darius, who's 34? Why are you hollering? Anyways, those are my three profiles for right now. You guys go ahead, jump in the comment section. Let me know what you think they should do. And if you have any profiles that you want to send to me, you can send them to my email, firefitnesscoach@gmail.com. Jump in the comments, let me know. Like, comment, share.